Hi, my name is Bruce from Weller Truck Parts. Today we're going to be installing a clutch housing, sometimes called a bell housing, on this transmission. So today we're working on an RTLO 18913A. And to get started, we'll need some tools. So over here I have everything we need. An impact, a 3/4 socket, 15/16 socket, self-locking nuts, flat washers, bolts, torque wrench. First thing we're going to do is install the gasket. Before we put the gasket on, the gasket goes on underneath the halo. So we need to remove the halo, install the gasket. The gasket will only fit one way, so you'll see here the holes don't line up. If I flip it over, it fits perfectly. So we'll go like this. And then we can install the halo. This time, the halo went right in. Sometimes it fights you a little bit, but you can see the other end of it through an opening in here. Now we're going to finish pushing this all the way in. If you can't get it with your hand, we could tap it in with a dead blow hammer. It don't take much. Now we're going to install the clutch housing. This one is aluminum and some are cast iron. With the aluminum clutch housing, we need to use self-locking nuts and flat washers, and the bolts use flat washers. If you have a cast iron bell housing, you need regular nuts and lock washers. So we'll get these on here. Well, I've already installed Loctite. Bolts. Just get them started so they start correctly, not cross-threaded. So I'm going to run these in with the impact, but just lightly. We don't want to torque them all the way down with the impact. Over-torquing can strip the threads or pull the studs right out of the transmission. Then we're going to torque them to spec. With an aluminum bell housing, the torque spec for the bolts is 80 foot-pounds. The torque spec for the nuts is 145 foot-pounds. For the cast iron bell housing, the nuts are torqued to 190 foot-pounds. Do a 145. And there we have it. Any questions? Call customer service at 888-708-0238 or visit wellertruck.com. Thanks for watching.